This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicaid in North Carolina. Applying for Medicaid can seem complex, but we will break it down into simple steps. Understanding the process is crucial to ensure you receive the healthcare benefits you deserve. We will cover who is eligible and the various ways you can submit your application. Let's get started on securing your health coverage. Before you apply, it is essential to understand the eligibility requirements. Medicaid in North Carolina considers your household income and the number of people in your family. You will also need to gather several important documents. This includes identification, proof of where you live, and details about your income and any assets. Having these ready will significantly speed up your application. There are several straightforward ways to apply for Medicaid in North Carolina. The most common method is online through the e-Pass portal, which is quick and secure. Alternatively, you can download a paper application, complete it, and mail it in or drop it off at your county's Department of Social Services office. Don't hesitate to visit your local DSS for in-person help if you need it. Once your application is submitted, the Department of Social Services will review it. You can generally expect a decision within 45 days, though applications based on disability may take up to 90 days. They might contact you for an interview or to request additional documents, so be sure to respond promptly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. We hope this video has clarified the Medicaid application process for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.